So
yes.
yeah, there are so many things, and it shouldn't be happen in society,
It
but
should
it
not
happens.
happen.
Yeah, it should not happen, but it happens. And
Hmm.
I don't like these things. And if you raise your voice, so you you will
Outcasted.
be outcasted.
Hi, Megha.
Hello,
Good evening.
good evening.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Megha, you are so famous. I did not know this.
No, I'm not famous. How
You
you?
are.
How did you
Ac-
come to know?
How did you come to know? Yes, that's the main question. What
Yes.
happened was that I was with one of my learner and she said, "Ma'am, you have come on Megha's video." I said, "What is this?" I did not know that she is already a subscriber. And then she said, "No, ma'am, you were there and this and that." I said, "Okay, wow. I did not know that you were uploading the videos and you were so famous. You told me that you have many subscribers, but I did not know that you were so famous." So tell me about your journey. How did it start and how did you think of it and how have you become so famous?
I don't know. I mean, why people? Because there are so many YouTubers and they have a lot of
Yes.
subscribers. If I'm going to compare, but I don't know why people say that you are famous. I mean, nowadays I have been taking my sessions with different tutors, and
Okay.
most of them know about me,
Yes.
and
But
they
you also must be thinking, what kind of a lady am I that I
no
don't know anything
no
about it?
no, it's not like that, because I know, I mean, some people are not really interested in these things, so I can understand. But I was surprised when I came to know that many tutors know about me, so sometimes I feel happy for that.
Yes,
Okay,
that's very
somehow.
nice. Yes,
Yeah.
but that's good at least, and you're doing a great service. And I would say I met after that. I met so many learners who have seen your video and they have come on this platform and they were ready with the answers and ready to talk, and that's good actually. So they
Yeah.
are using this platform in a positive way and they are learning. So that's a good
Yes.
sign.
Yes.
So
Yes.
congratulations to you and keep doing such good work and good that you are doing such a great thing.
Thank you. Thank you so much. By the way, I would like to tell you that, sorry, I would like to tell you that the video that I had uploaded, the conversation that we had, it
Mm-hmm.
got, I think, more than 7,000 views. And you
Okay.
are quite famous. People really like you, the way you communicate with people. And people especially find our bonding very interesting. Some
Okay.
of them commented me that you have a kind of connection. We
That's
feel
good.
like a daughter and a mother is
Oh,
talking
so sweet.
together.
So sweet.
So
So
yeah.
sweet.
And
Very nice.
also I really feel connected whenever I have conversation with you. And frankly speaking, I was searching for your time slot, but I think you were not there for some
Yeah, I was
period.
I was on my vacation. I'm just back and because I had not taken it for so long, so I've kept few hours, but then they all are going full, like from 4 o'clock till 7 o'clock, and after that also. So it's like jam packed kind of thing. So, but I'm
Yeah.
enjoying myself. But
Yes.
it's
Yes.
good. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Megha, would you like to do something specific, or should we go ahead and chat about anything?
I think not an specific. We can talk about anything when.
Anything. Okay.
Yes.
Today,
Yes.
you said that you are from Chhattisgarh.
Yes. I'm from
If
Chhattisgarh.
you can describe a marriage in Chhattisgarh.
Uh, could you please repeat? Marriage? I didn't get the word.
Marriage, how is it being celebrated in Chhattisgarh? How do they perform all the rituals? How do a bride and a groom meet? Everything about a marriage.
Marriage. Okay.
Wedding or a marriage.
Okay. No, no tutor have talked particularly on this topic, so I was surprised.
Yes.
I felt like it was married. I mean, good things
No, it
about
is about
Chhattisgarh.
the wedding. Yes, it's about the
Yes.
wedding. Wedding,
Okay.
if you know how the because what I have been doing is that because I'm meeting learners from all parts of India, so it is very interesting to talk about. And when you talk about the whole event, all the tenses they come into play. You just try to remember everything. So that is where you can speak about the different forms of English. That is
Yes.
why I
Yes.
give. So
Yeah.
please.
Okay. So I think Chhattisgarh is known for its tribal people, and in tribal caste there are various ritual and customs, and marriage is one of the well known, I guess everybody knows
Okay.
about that. And every tribal has different custom.
Mhm.
Like I don't really sorry, I haven't have any experience like tribal marriage, but
Okay.
I will explain you in our culture how we
Celebrate
do.
or
Yeah,
how do
how
you?
we celebrate.
Okay.
Yeah. So in our culture, marriage is
Mhm.
celebration which
Mhm.
takes approximately 5 days. I mean,
Okay.
on an average, yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
And we used to celebrate like that way, but
Mhm.
nowadays, like people are very busy in their work, so it reduced. But in village area, still people follow the same, and
Okay.
there are very different ceremonies on every
Mhm.
day. For
Mhm.
example, the first day when we started this celebration or this event, so the very first day, the 5 days are very common. So first day,
But
I
Megha, just a second. How when a girl meets a boy or a bride meets a groom, how is it that the parents only they decide on everything, or people they generally go out for the love marriages? How do they meet, and what is the custom that you all follow?
actually, it is a kind of controversial if I say, like intercaste marriage is not allowed in
Okay.
our culture, in our caste especially.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And we are very much bothered with these things. I don't believe on it, but yeah, it happens in our culture. And parents are, I think, in stress because of the society, I think.
Okay.
And
Mm.
still we are following the same in rural areas especially. So
Okay.
yeah, this is how problematic if I talk about love marriage. So love
Okay,
marriage,
love
if
marriages are out, but
yes,
even
yes,
when you see even if you find in the same caste, because
okay,
everywhere it is in the same caste, you try to find a good boy or a good girl for a good match, I would say, good match for each other.
okay,
So
okay.
how does it work? How does it work?
So, like I said, in rural area, because Chhattisgarh is known for its
Yeah.
tribal, what should I say, caste or tribal?
Yes, surroundings or tribal
Yeah,
community
yeah,
is mainly tribal
yes, yes,
populated.
yes. Yeah. Although we have several kinds of communities.
Mhm.
So what we do, like girls' family usually
Mhm.
go to the boys' family,
Okay.
okay, and they just start talking. I mean, they have proposal for the marriage, and
Okay.
the purpose behind the first meeting is that to know how they are, how
Okay.
their house,
So as a
how,
family, they come and meet each other.
yes, yes,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. And so it happens, and first meeting is like that. So girls family take initiative, girls
Okay.
family takes initiative
Mm-hmm.
to go to the boy's house. Yeah, first
Okay.
step is that. And if everything would be okay between them, if they both family find everything okay, so the next step is that then girls family goes, sorry, boys, I couldn't I get confused, sorry.
But the boy's family will come to the girl's side and will see their house and their surroundings and
Yes,
everything.
yes,
But
yes.
the girl doesn't meet a boy.
No, I think if I'm going to talk about my culture, so what happens, like, this is tragedy. I feel that in our culture, whenever a boy's family comes into our house, so without having what should I say, information, their job, about related to their job, related to their house, or related to their family, it is kind of culture in or manner, I could say, that every time girl has to come of the boy's family with having breakfast, snacks, and teas. So this is something I find a kind of drawback, because I don't find it's cool every time you have to go in front of the boy's family. So yeah, it happens in our society, and it seems like a manner. I mean, if you don't do that, so you should be like you should be considered like arrogant, or like,
So you mean to say that the girl has to, present herself in a way that, she has to get absolutely dressed up, and she has to go in front of the boy as if, she's going as a model and people are looking at her, and that's quite obvious. And you don't feel that it is respectable that girls should walk in front of them, and it should not happen.
Yeah, I think it should happen, but at least there could be a possibility of having match,
less formal atmosphere, and less formal surroundings, so that the girl also doesn't feel that sometimes even the humiliation is there, because when a boy looks up and he doesn't find her to be good or something like that, then the girl is rejected. So that should not happen.
That should not happen. Yes, exactly. So like I said, in our culture, we don't need to be dressed up like over too much. We can go in simple casual dress, and simplicity should be there. No makeup and no so much things, like and boys families has basic questions always. So I don't find a kind of humiliation in it. Yeah, but yeah, this is something like happens before the marriage ceremony every time. Yeah. But yeah, in another case is like when families are families are known each other very well,
known to each other
before these kind of things. I mean, before uh, talking about
setting up a meeting.
Meetings. So we like to have a conversation over the call, and we have some kind of research without informing them. So it also happens. Yeah.
And you can always meet at a neutral place also, where in a common place where you have a common friend, everyone can go and meet there, so that it becomes less obvious, and it becomes very casual. But that is how they meet. And okay, fine, next step.
Yeah, but my father was very cool. My father has passed away, but my father was very cool in this way, so I didn't find any such problem at that moment. Yeah.
Good. And that is what you should always take it forward, and you should keep good customs with you, and get away with the customs which are actually not required in the society. That is what the education will help, and educated people will take it forward.
But still, there are so many contradictions in our society. I would love to discuss with you. Yeah, there are so many things, and it shouldn't be happen in society, but it happens. Yeah, it should not happen, but it happens. And I don't like these things. And if you raise your voice, so you will be outcasted, and you would be how to say, like, what is the word?
So you will be outcasted, and you will be asked to leave that society, or leave that area in a way that nobody would talk to you. You will be social. People will be keeping social distance from you, and you will not be
Yeah,
interacting with anyone.
yeah, yes. So I think sometimes, like, what is the word? We are living in patriarchy society. The
Yes,
word, what?
patriarchal society.
Patriarchal. Yeah,
Patriarchal society.
patriarchal. Yeah, I will check it out after the
Yes,
session.
yes,
But even though I feel the problem from women as well, like they are not able to understand what are the crises we are going through, and instead of supporting, they are doing something else. And in somehow I don't find these things very cool. People need to change. I mean, every gender, I'm not talking about only men or women. Both genders should be changed in this term. Society is very biased towards girls, I feel so.
girls.
Yeah, girls. Yeah,
Still
yeah.
in this age, after so many years have passed, and we were the ones who fought for sati. Everything was. We fought for education
Our
system.
education, our rights,
Yes, our
yes,
rights, everything we have fought for,
respect.
and the respect we should. It should be there. It's not there, and
People
still
just
we are
talk
fighting.
about these things, I mean,
But it
orally, but
doesn't
they don't
happen
follow.
practically.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
doesn't happen
it doesn't
practically.
happen. And when you raise your voice, people start saying no. Nowadays things are changed, but it
Yes, things have
changed
changed.
in
Things
few
have
areas.
changed.
Yeah, things
Things
have
have
changed.
changed. Yes.
Changed, yes, yes, but it can be seen in few areas only, and in few families only. Still, parents are so, how should I say, like,
Conservative,
so
orthodox, and
conservative and
orthodox,
protective as well. Orthodox,
protective as well.
protective
Yes.
as well. I am not going to, say anything against them. But yeah,
Yes.
because of the society, because of the incident events,
Yes.
whatever is happening in our
Mhm.
society, these are reason behind it, I think so.
Yes. So, Megha, our time has flown, and we'll not be able to finish this conversation now.
I would like
But
to
we'll,
talk about this thing in next
yes,
session.
we'll continue. We'll continue.